Welcome to my channel, Loic channel. We are making wood roller, which help up you not use things with waste items. Tell you what ingredients you need: a Jordan pencil, set pen, saw, big stick, small sticks, and circle cardboard waste rubber band, waste rope, and waste tape, CD, and scissors, and sharp needle, and cutter, matchbox, candle, hot glue. Need to be careful that I'll use my data help. But let's start this. Okay, guys? Now, we need to cut it in small pieces. Because we need to make this cook in a fire. And then we need to cut. And we'll cut. I'm using my data. Just keeping fire that one. And carefully turning, doing some more. And doing that. And that. And he's cutting it. Now, guys, the candle's cut. Guys, now we are using this to keep it in a fire, and who will come on the cat? Be careful, the dog will use this dog. It's very dangerous. He's heating that one, and now we'll see what will happen. More he needs. Then he's going to press it, and it to come on the corner. And that is pressed. Need to again. Okay, guys. I'm going to install it in this cap. Whoa, buddy. Yes, we can do that. I'm using my dad's help. Thus, he needs rope and a small stick, a rope inside, a tin stick, and a candle here, and some caps.
Rubber band.
And rubber band, a small rope. This way it's called to line. Now, guys, let's see it. Guys, are you there? Oh, you are there? Can I leave it go? To start it, 1, 2, 3. Honda! My one went speeder. Yes, guys, this one is the longest in speed. Super no. Is it, guys? You can try here. Uh-oh. You, go this way. You, go this way. Boys, speed you up. This is Wasiwa. I wood roller. Okay, guys? Bye-bye. You can make these ones. Please subscribe to my channel not to go out. Please be in home. Bye-bye. Subscribe on my channel and subscribe the bell and the channel. Lower channel. Love you. Love you so much to see this video. Bye, guys. See you next time.